This is Huawei Nova 11, and today I would like to show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So first you will need to launch the camera app, then over here slide all the way to the left and open the More section, providing you with the full list of camera modes that we have an access to. Then open or enter the Documents mode, take whatever document you wanted to scan, and, well, take a photo of it. Once you do that, open the image taken, then select More, Print or Export as PDF. Over here, you will need to tap over there at this More section, then select the Save as PDF option, then decide where you would like to save it if you have choices to begin with, unlike me. Then you can rename your document like that, then hit the check button, wait until your document will be saved, and here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.